I want the picture.
This is one of your bigger presents, too.
Cool. It's all about the Titanic.
Wow.
Who's calling me in the middle of this?
Wait.
I don't know. Wait a minute. You want to see something in this. What's cool about this book is all the way through it, about every third or fourth page, they have copies of original documents, like here. And you got to be very careful because this will tear. But you can take the document out, open it up, and look at it. Very careful, very careful. Because you want to be able to put it back in.
Wait,
and what does this have? The world's largest ships, Titanic's larder,
That's the
what it
Titanic.
carried and stuff.
That's inside the Titanic.
Yeah,
Right?
That's the Titanic right there.
But that's not the only one. You can look at this stuff later. Just so you can see, I'm gonna show you just a couple things here. This tells all about who died on the Titanic, who lived, all about the boats. Look over here. There's more. Look. There's a thing on the Titanic that you can open. Oops. You got to be real careful because it's glued to the pages. That's the brochure that they hung up on the walls to announce people could get on the Titanic. And look here. There's another. That's a survey that they did.